How does the watt-meter device work? What is its internal structure? Working principles and internal structures of watt-meter devices. Watt-meters are devices generally used to determine or measure a variable, e.g. temperature, pressure, flow rate, humidity, etc. Their internal structure and operating logic may differ depending on the measurement principle and technology used. Some of the common indicator types include thermometers, used to measure temperature. Their internal structure usually consists of a thermal element, thermal resistor, thermocouple, thermal accelerator, etc., an indicator, and sometimes a data logger. Its working principle is based on converting temperature changes passing through the thermal element into electrical signals. Pressure meters, used to measure liquid or gas pressure. Their internal structure may include a pressure sensing element, a transmitter, an indicator, and a control mechanism. Its working principle is based on measuring pressure changes through a sensor. Flow meters, used to measure liquid or gas flow. Their internal structure may include a flow sensor, transmitter, display, and control mechanism. Its working principle is based on sensing the pressure, speed, or other variables created by the fluid while passing through a point. Humidity meters, used to measure the amount of moisture in the atmosphere. Their internal structure may include a humidity sensor, an indicator, and a transmitter. The operating principle depends on the type of humidity sensor. It usually senses the humidity level through resistance change or capacitance change. Voltmeter and ammeter, used to measure electric current and voltage. Their internal structure may include a current or voltage sensor, an indicator, and a control mechanism. Its working principle is based on detecting and measuring electric current or voltage changes. The internal structure and operating logic of each meter type varies depending on the features and measurement principles of the sensors used. Therefore, it is quite complex to provide a detailed description of each type of meter, especially in an area where a wide variety of technologies are used.